It is 53 feet or 16 meters long, moves down the highway at the legal speed limit with a big red Marion M on the side. And mine maintenance personnel can use it to get their equipment back to work and save money at the same time. It is Marion's custom designed and built field repair unit, the latest tool that Marion's team of field machining and repair experts use to get equipment back in running condition quickly and cost-effectively. This mobile unit can be used for a wide range of mine maintenance work, including machining, welding, component rebuilds, machine erections and relocations, and a wide range of machine repair work. The trailer comes with Marion's seasoned field repair specialists who know what you want done and work with you to get things done right. The self-contained unit includes a wide range of equipment useful in a variety of repair jobs, but often not readily available at the repair site. Marion's mobile unit contains a Bridgeport-type milling machine, a 12-inch lathe, 6 welding machines including 6-stick and automatic welding capabilities, a drill press, a hydraulic press, an air compressor, a chain hoist and monorail system, a full set of optical equipment, and a full complement of hand tools, drills, impacts, and related support equipment. Also included is a fully equipped field office, including phone, fax, computer, copier, everything needed to connect Marion's field specialists to all the technical experts at the home office and around the world. This field repair unit is U.S. Department of Transportation approved. It meets all U.S. MSHA and OSHA regulations for safety. All electrical systems are ground fault monitored, and the trailer is ready to connect to a mine's 480-volt three-phase power supply. Whether it's a small machine repair or major dragline overhaul, a component machining job, or a complete machine teardown and relocation, Marion can handle the job, and the Marion Field Repair Unit will make it a faster, safer, cost-effective, top-quality project. It starts with a call to your Marion Field Service representative.